Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monique here for anybody who is new. Today I'm back to show you guys my skincare routine. I have a few new things I want to show you guys, so if you want to see how I take care of my skin every morning and sometimes night, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is start by exfoliating my skin. And to do this, I'm going to use something that my sister made me for Christmas. And this is like a DIY face/body scrub. And I wish I remembered exactly what she put in it, but I believe it is brown sugar, coconut oil, essential oils, and maybe honey? I'll ask her and then I'll put it in the description down below. This is what it looks like. And it works super well and leaves my skin very soft. So I'm going to start by using this. I just take a little bit on my fingers and mix it with water. I'm going to start with about this much. And DIY face scrubs like this are so much better than just the regular like St. Ives apricot scrub, because this sugar actually dissolves on your skin, and that St. Ives apricot scrub does not dissolve, and it can make micro cuts into your skin, which can eventually lead to damaging your skin. So use something that dissolves. Brown sugar is something that's always a safe bet. It dissolves right into your skin and does not cause damage. I don't recommend exfoliating your skin every single day. I exfoliate my skin every other day, every 3 days, whenever really I feel like I need it. Every day can cause your skin to overproduce oils or can just irritate your skin. So kind of just, you know your skin better than I do. If you think your skin can handle it every day, maybe it can. But I recommend at least every other day, if not every 3 days. So it seems like this is pretty well worked into my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off with warm water and I will be right back. Now that my face is feeling extremely soft and moisturized, I'm going to go in with this facial cleanser from Estee Lauder and just cleanse my face now, just to get off all of the whatever is left on my skin. So this is pretty well used, but you don't need much of it. Honestly, like this much is enough. Mix it with your warm water and apply just a thin layer all over your skin. So this is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean. This is a purifying mask. So it's made to be used twice a week or as needed, and keep it on for 3 minutes. So while I keep this on, I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate my lips. I have showed you guys how I exfoliate my lips in my pamper routine, but it has changed a little bit. My friend Alicia actually started her own Etsy company, and within the Etsy company she makes bath bombs and scrubs, and she was so kind to send me these lip scrubs. She sent me 4 different flavors. Oh my gosh, you guys, they smell amazing. And this packaging, you guys, is so cute. It is in this little pink bubble wrap bag. It is the cutest thing. I got this sent to me at work. There's my address, and everybody was so jealous because they were like, oh, you got something really cute, a little pink package. So I highly recommend going to her Etsy page. I'll have it linked down below. The page is It's Damn Good Co, like company, and I will link it down below. Okay, so she sent me these 4 flavors. The first one is Snickerdoodle. And this one smells so good. And she uses extracts to make the exact smell. So this actually smells like a Snickerdoodle. There we go. And she did change the packaging. These are just like the ones that she sent me to test out. But her packaging is super cute, and it has the company name on the lid. This one is bubblegum. This one is my absolute favorite. It smells literally exactly like bubblegum. I've already went ahead and used this one. So cute, and it smells amazing. I literally want to eat it. I kind of want to ask her, like, if I do eat it, if it'll taste like bubblegum. This one is Lemon Drop. Smells exactly like lemon, like what you think of when you think of Lemon Drop, like the candy. This is exactly what it smells like, and it is this really pigmented yellow color. and Mint Twist. Oh my gosh, this one also, I forgot how good this one smelled. It is amazing. Look at how vibrant these colors are, guys. Like, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Alicia, for sending me these because they're so much better than I could have ever imagined. So actually, since I already used the bubblegum one last time, I'm going to go ahead and try the Mint Twist. This one, these are just to die for. I can't get over how good they smell. So I'm going to take a little bit on my finger, mix it with just a teeny bit of water, and apply this to my lips and start scrubbing. To me, I kind of think of this as like a natural lip plumper. It makes your lips just feel like plump and restored after you finish, and of course really, really soft. And it's a good base to put on like chapstick or lip gloss or lipstick. It makes your lips just look extremely smooth. A rag with warm water. This actually tasted like mint. So since I just wiped that off, I'm going to use this rag again with warm water just to take off that face mask that I just put on. Okay, now that my skin and lips are feeling extremely soft and exfoliated and purified and clean and soft and just so great overall, I'm going to go ahead and take this Vaseline. I always use this in every single video, just taking a little bit on clean hands. I know this might look disgusting to put my finger in this over and over again, but when I tell you guys that I don't put dirty fingers in here, I'm not lying. I always make sure to wash my hands first, or I do it after I like go to the bathroom, wash my hands, and do my skincare routine, so my hands are extra clean. I will never put dirty fingers in this, or I will never carry something like this around in my purse. I just think that's such an easy way to get yourself sick or get just nasty bacteria and germs in your mouth. Like, don't use this as an actual chapstick out in public, or ones that you have to put your finger in and put on your lips. That is just a big no. Big no for me. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use this collagen eye cream that I've used before in my videos, I believe, and just take a little bit of this on my ring finger and pat it under and around my eye. Lastly, I'm going to use this sunscreen moisturizer that I have also, I think, used in past videos. This is the Neutrogena brand, and it's very hydrating, and I don't know, I just recommend it for like everyday use when you're not getting a ton of sun. So I take about 1 pump of this, it's a good amount, and I use this for my face. I also take another like half a pump and use this on my neck. And it's really important that you don't miss your neck because, you know, when you're older, you can do what you gotta do to hide the wrinkles on your face, but there's not a lot you can do to hide the wrinkles in your neck, and the neck and your hands are the first places you spot aging, so keep your neck and your hands very moisturized. Okay, one last thing, if we're talking about aging, this is a little weird, but I recently just started doing this. So I use this Olay face cream before bed. It's the Olay Firming Night Cream. I just recently picked this up from Target. And I don't know, well, I do know how. Like, after I put this on my face at night, I have some left over on my hands and I rub it in. But this makes my hands feel incredible. It makes my hands feel so soft. So sometimes I do just dip in here with clean fingers, of course, and just use this as a hand cream. Because honestly, I think this works a lot better than my lotion. I don't know if anybody else says this or if anybody thinks it's weird, but I find it very, very moisturizing, and I will just do this before bed. I don't usually do this during the day, but I thought I'd just let you guys know. Okay, now that I just showed you guys my weird little secret, thank you guys so much for watching my skincare routine. This does wrap it up. It's nothing too crazy. It's not like 20 steps or anything, but this is just what I do to keep my skin feeling very soft and moisturized throughout the day. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at monique.chuise. It'll be down here somewhere, also down in the description box. I post pretty frequently, and I post a lot about my curly hair and kind of what I'm doing around Los Angeles. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! Oh, there's my address. All you can do to try to hide that age. Okay guys, and whoop.